Magic Bullet Blender Small, Black 11-piece set. The Magic Bullet lets you blend, mix and chop your favorite foods in seconds. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. High-torque 250-watt motor powers the machine's versatility. There's no limit to the sauces, dips, drinks and snacks you can create. Included, 250W motor base, crossblade, tall cup, short cup, party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, to-go lid, and 10-second recipe guide. Crossblade is made from stainless steel and cups are made from super durable, BPA-free. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Included components, cook's tools, cream makers and chargers. Electric blenders. Item includes 10-piece cook set and 1 recipe guide.